Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a minimal Flask project so you can serve HTML directly from Python. First, make and activate a virtual environment. Once done, pip install Flask. Create app, Py with a Flask instance and a simple route that returns render template for an index. HTML file inside template slash. Make static slash for CSS and JS. This gets you from 0 to a running app skeleton quickly. Make sure to keep file names consistent, so Flask finds templates and static assets. Once your app skeleton exists, wire Python and points to actual HTML. Define routes with app. Route and return render template with variables. This is how you pass data into HTML using Jinja templating. For interactive flows, add an HTML form or JavaScript fetch that post or get JSON to a Flask route, then return JSONify from Python. Also serve static JS and CSS from static slash so client-side scripts can call your endpoints. This middle step turns static pages into dynamic components driven by Python. To finish, run the Flask development server to test. Export Flask app equals app. Py and Flask run or call app. Run debug equals true while developing. For production, use a WSGI server such as Unicorn behind Nginx and configure static file serving. Make sure environment variables and secret KEY are set. If things go wrong, inspect server logs and the browser console. Common failures are template name typos, incorrect static paths, or mismatched route methods. Fix those first and retry to confirm your Python and HTML are connected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.